You got to be careful with technology in the cockpit. Now that we're going to put it on our face, there's a lot to talk about. This video is going to review RayBan Meta 1s, the 2, and then display. Should these be in the cockpit? Let's go. The other day on short final into Truckee Airport, my RayBan Meta started push notifications. It's screaming at me, telling me all the things that are happening because I got in cell phone service. Meanwhile, I'm trying to land a plane, and I thought, that's not safe. Aviate, navigate, communicate, film. So this one's gonna be about how to use your RayBan Metas safely and how to get some really amazing point of view footage while you're flying. If you like to fly with a hat, you're probably not gonna like the Metas. The bill falls into the point of view. So a lot of my flying, you're gonna see me like this. It's mostly just so the bill doesn't show up. And so I look cool. Push notifications are dangerous, especially when you're flying. And you can silence Meta in 2 ways. One, you can go inside the app and tell it to go to sleep. I tell it for 8 hours, that's the maximum. It's kind of weird how you can't tell it forever. And number 2 is you can say, hey Meta, turn off notifications. Easy solution, but when you're flying, you don't want notifications on. Sound. Right now I got about a 10 to 15 knot wind blowing across the Meta glasses. I don't know what you can hear, but I can tell you that if you have a microphone, it's much more crisp. So social media use, just fine. YouTube, get something like this. I don't like this flashing light, but you're not recording without it. If you cover it up, it'll stop recording. It's for privacy. You know, no one wants to be recorded if they don't know. Another thing you got to be careful of is the camera is over here, opposite side of the flashing light. So center isn't always center. You're used to looking straight ahead, but really that's like where your eyes are. So you need to practice the position that you want to put the lens and just remember where it's at, because you might record something and it'll be totally off frame. Video orientation is set up because it's a Meta product for Facebook and Instagram. You can put it into TikTok, but if you put it into YouTube, as you can see right here, I stretch that picture out. It's not super crisp, it works. So maybe in YouTube videos, put it up in the corner just to give another perspective. Let's talk about battery life. I thought it was appropriate to put some Jet A behind me. These Metas right here claim 5 to 8 hours. Not true. I'm getting best 3 hours if I'm like hardcore recording. If I'm going throughout the whole day and I'm not really using them, I might get 6 hours. So you gotta bring your charger. In fact, my charger is right there. It's pretty cool. It's like classic RayBan case. Like that, USB-C, boom. Put them in there. I do bring backup glasses and put it in here because when you take them off, you squint. All right, if you're flying with your RayBan Metas on and a hat, these beautiful headsets, Bose especially, is not gonna work as well as it's intended to. There's a little bit of gap, so you're gonna get more noise in. So a couple things you could do is take off your hat. Number 2, you can take these Metas off if you got your backup glasses. I'll show you what the RayBans look like that are just normal. They're pretty close, but it allows the headset to be a little bit closer. Here's regular RayBans right here. It's a little bit more flush. I just bring these again as backup when my Metas run out. I don't want to have my eyes not covered. I forgot, I want to do a side-by-side. There you go. There's the Metas on top, normal RayBans on the bottom. They're not too much bigger. And the sides, about the same. The only thing that I think is noticeably different is how wide they are, and on the sides, not too bad. All right, safety disclosure. Fly the plane. Aviate, navigate, communicate. These Metas are fun, but getting yourself on the ground and your passengers, that's the #1 important thing. So when time is available, include film. Aviate, navigate, communicate, film. I'm gonna trademark that one. You still watching? Because I'm watching you. All right, dad joke. Anyways, when you're done, you've got a ton of footage that are stored on your glasses. Bluetooth transfer over the app, really easy. It'll download and put it into your camera roll. Nothing complicated there. Just be sure to, keep up on it because the transfer isn't like lightning fast. So you can take a break, put your glasses in, let it charge, transfer the stuff over. Of course, I'm about to release a video on the RayBan 1s and the 2s come out. Also, the ones with the display in the lens. So here's my review on that. The Meta 2s, they're great. They last 8 hours and they give you 3K. If you're putting this in a movie theater, maybe you want 3K. I think my 1s are just good enough, and I am not gonna try the ones with the display in the lens. If you have film right here and you're watching data, video, I don't know, whatever's in there, and you're trying to land, fly, I think that's a really bad idea, not safe. So if you need to have a pair, use it when you're on the ground, get yourself a pair to use when you're flying. Rather than have a boring excuse why you should subscribe and like, I'm gonna give you an amazing view of my metas today. Enjoy.